Hi guys, today I have a eye makeup set to share with you. This is a four-in-one set. It's priced at $16.99 and right now is a 30% discount, so I would really hurry if you're interested in something like this. It's 4 pieces in one set. It comes with a 14 color eyeshadow palette with glitters and matte. It comes with a mascara. It comes with an eyebrow pencil and a brush included. And also, it comes with, oh, and I'm sorry, it comes with an eyeliner also. So, a eyeliner pen. And an extra bonus they throw in is a makeup bag, which is really handy because you want to keep everything together. So check it out with link below. Hurry up, it's 30% off, guys. Look at these colors, they're so pretty. And everything you need to make and create the perfect eye look. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.